Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having an awesome day. I am working on my list today, and it's time to work on that garage, which I have set aside for the next week just to work on this garage. So, the nice thing about Tennessee right now, it's probably, 68 degrees. And I figure, well, this is a perfect time to pull as much of this stuff out as I possibly can. I'm going to try to work 6 hours each day in this garage. So hold on, I'm going to lift that garage door. Guys, here we go. Alrighty, guys. Now just remember, I do a lot of shows. We do a lot of picking and greening. So I definitely have my work cut out for me today. Oh, gracious. I just wonder sometimes what my neighbors think. Alrighty, now I have trees from Christmas. It almost looks like a little forest. And then, you know how it is. When you start to bring stuff out, you set it down, you go through it. But I definitely have enough trees for several houses. Alrighty, so I wanted to kind of give you a view out into the driveway to see if you guys will be able to tell any difference in my progress in a few hours. So, the thing about it is, all the merchandise that is in the trailer has to come out because in 2 weeks, Todd and I are going to go back to Birmingham, Alabama, and we're going to an estate. And do I know what we're going to find? I have no idea. But gotta clear that trailer out. And so, guys, let's see what I can get done today. Okay, guys, it doesn't take very long to pull it out. Look, I'm able to walk in. Alrighty, so, no, I've only pulled this stuff outside. This is my Christmas area. I know I have a little bit too many trees, but you know I love Christmas. And then we've got a fall area, and then for sale area, and this area is for keeping. So I got a lot more stuff to figure out what I'm doing. My husband needs to hang a blind. We had a bird to get in here a few weeks ago, tore it all up. You can even see that one over there. I got new blinds, so we're gonna try to get those put up. And looking around, I see more Christmas. Man. Alrighty. So I'm also putting stuff in the truck. But I do have at least a semi walkway. Alrighty, guys. Let's see how much more I could do. I'm only into this video working maybe 30 minutes. 5 hours to go. Okay, guys. I worked out here a little bit longer than what I thought I was going to do. But I do, it's a whole lot better than what it was. Everything has been swept. I definitely have rows. Now I'm way over here, which I haven't been over here in probably 2 years. So, not too bad. Of course, that's going to be another day. I've got a big old black bag I'm going to go through and put some stuff in the back. I'm working on a load to the dump. I have a load for donation. And I got my work pile. Alrighty, guys. So I'm going to sign off for the day. And then we will pick this back up tomorrow. This is terrible. Terrible. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. Well, my husband's getting closer to his motorcycle, which he hasn't drove in a while. Alrighty. Okay, guys. I am working on day 3 out here in this garage. And I feel like I've made a great accomplishment. I know every bit of this floor has been swept. I'm tickled about that. But let me turn the camera around and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I've got all my trees outside. I am waiting on a delivery of Christmas tree bags. I've even got a truckload of items to go to the thrift store, but I also took every tree and tagged it of which tree goes where. So I know when I put it in the bags, it will be ready. Okay, so I know it still looks full, but guys, you got to remember, look, I can walk in. My husband, he's going to work on this area. But I do have a few more bags to go through. And we have rows. Nice big rows where I can find stuff from both sides. I tried to put the furniture at the end with the bins at the back. But look at this. Great. So I don't know how much of the items from the trailer we're going to be able to get in, but we'll definitely see. I even uncluttered my steps. Now, I always like to keep a bin there because there are no rails. And I found that I need to do a little gluing on it and take it to the booth. I'm trying to get all of the 4th of July stuff in there. Alrighty, guys, so let's see what my next step's gonna be. Okay, guys, we're on day 4 of this garage cleanup, straighten up, I don't know what else. But yesterday in the mail, I got these. So we're gonna see how many of these trees I can get in a bag. So I got 2 sets, and these bags are huge. Let me show you. This bag is huge. And it also comes with 2 smaller bags, which I think these 2 bags will be great for the wreaths. But look how huge this bag is, guys. Let me stand off from the back. So let's see how many of the trees that I can get in one bag. So hold on. Alrighty, guys, I have finished my garage, which has been on my list for probably 6 months. And yes, I still have a lot of stuff, but let's remember, I do shows and I have booths, but I can get out of my truck and walk to the door to go in the kitchen, which I haven't been able to do, and I can't tell you when. So I'm going to turn the camera around and do a final picture. Alrighty, guys, I'm sure you can tell a difference from what it was from the beginning of this video to now. I have all of this space, and guys, I got 7 trees and a small tree inside of that bag. Can you believe it? Look at that space. Now, I definitely still have stuff, but I have rows where I can get it from either side. So, only thing my husband has to do is put the new blind up. And I am ready to check this off of my list. I am so excited. And have you noticed something different? My husband even sold his motorcycle. Now that is downsizing. Alrighty, well, I am done. I'm ready to take a break. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I am definitely still working. Have a great day.